Welcome to the 59th session of the first BSc Physics paper of BSc course from Wimpu University. It is Muhammad Ajmal from Department of Physics. Today in surface tension, I am discussing on the factors affecting the surface tension and the consequences of the surface tension. So till this session, we have understood what surface tension is. We know that surface tension is the force of stretching that exists on the surface of the liquid. Pressure is force divided by unit area. Now, to discuss the factors affecting the surface tension, I have typed in this slide. So here, some of the important factors that affect the surface tension are: the surface tension decreases with rise in temperature. That is, as the temperature of the liquid is increased, the surface tension decreases. We know that the value of the surface tension of water is 0.07 Newton per meter. The value decreases on rise in temperature. Also, if we add impurities like dust, oil, detergent, etc., it decreases the surface tension. That is, one of the examples of addition of impurities which decreases the surface tension is the addition of detergent to wash the clothes. As a special case, if impurity is completely soluble, like salt in water, then the surface tension of water increases. Therefore, we can conclude that the rise in temperature decreases the surface tension. Addition of impurities like dust, oil, detergent also decreases the surface tension, but addition of salt to water increases the surface tension. Now, the consequences are the application of surface tension. The formation of drops and bubbles are due to the surface tension. That is, the drops and bubbles tries to acquire minimum surface area due to surface tension. Capillary action in wick of a lamp. This is explained by using the concept of surface tension. The wick contains the threads. The small gap or the space between the threads of the wick acts as a capillary tube through which the kerosene from the bottom of the lamp reaches the surface to the burning point. Also, when detergents are added to the water, the surface tension decreases. Due to the decrease in surface tension, the cloth get wet and easily the clothes can be washed easily. For this concept, you can refer Shankar Narayan, Properties of Matter, and a textbook of physics by R. Murugesan on properties of matter. We will continue our discussion in the next class, in the next session. Thank you.